Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, mute yourself and tell me that what was going on. What was going on?
Cube and cube.
Cubes and cube roots all have completed already. Now today we will start the new chapter. It is algebraic expression. Algebraic understood. We will start algebraic expression. Okay, so let's start the chapter. In earlier classes, already we have studied the same chapter, and I hope so that whatever I'll ask, you all will give me answer. Okay, let's see. Let me write one algebraic expression first. This is an algebraic expression. Now we have to know few things. I'm just going to remind it all of you because already we have studied it in class 7 also. In this chapter, we will come to know that how to add the given algebraic expression if there will be more than two or more than 2, how to multiply, how to subtract, how we will divide the algebraic expression by each other. So let's see. First of all, we have to know what is constant, variable, terms, coefficient. Understood? Now then we will know about the algebraic expression. Okay, let's see. Degree also. Degree. Can anyone define constant? Yes, students, tell me. Anyone? No. Yes, Sagar. What is constant? A constant is a symbol having fixed value. A symbol having fixed values. Having fixed values. It is also a symbol, a variable, a symbol having fixed values. We can take 5, 7. These all are the constant. Understood? Because the value of 5 is 5 itself. The value of 7 is 7 itself. Yes, na? If I'll ask for 7 rupees, it doesn't mean that you will give me 10 rupees. 7 means 7. So having fixed values. So these are called constant. Now variable, a symbol having a symbol which takes various values. Which takes various values. Understood? Various values means if I write an algebraic expression 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and if we will put x is equal to 2, what we will get? 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2, that is 3 to the 6 and 2, it becomes 8. It becomes 8. Now when we will put x is equal to 3, what becomes? 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2. So 3 3 is a 9 plus 2. 3 3 is a 9 plus 2. It becomes 11. So when we have kept the values x is equal to, we got the result, that is 8. That is 8. But when we have kept the values x is equal to 3, we have got the result. What we got here?
8.
And here when we have kept here x is equal to 3, it is 11. Yes, now. So we can say, we can observe here. So it just depend upon the values of. So it is taking various values. Understood? So variable is a symbol which takes various values, which can vary their values. Understood? Now, bacha, terms. What is terms? We know very well that there are 4 fundamental signs. Understood now? You know, plus, minus, multiplication, and then division. These are the 4 fundamental signs. Yes. Now, the terms are separated by using the sign plus or minus. Plus, either it will be subtracted, either it will be separated by the plus or by minus. Understood? Na? So see, 3x square plus, so it becomes one term, plus 2 means second term, and it becomes third term. Understood? First term, second term, third term. Now, coefficient. Coefficient, see, the product of numerical values and the variable is called the term, but whatever the numerical values is multiplied with this variable, it is called coefficient. So here 3 multiplied by 3 is multiplied with x square. So we can read it. 3 is the coefficient of x square. 3 is the There, what happened?
Say nothing.
And
Say कुछ नहीं.
mute yourself. Don't talk. What it now? So if I'll ask you what is the coefficient of x, so coefficient of x is what is multiplied with x, that is 2 na. So 2 multiplied by x, that is coefficient of x, that is 2. Understood? Now this is the constant term. This is constant term. Now degree. Yes, Sibsagar, what is degree? Sibsagar, can anyone?
Sir, the highest value of power.
Very good. The highest power is called degree. So here highest power is, see, power is 2 and 1. So highest power is 2 and the degree becomes 2. And one more thing, the power should be non-negative. Non-negative means power should be not a negative. Okay, let's see now. Basically already we have studied this all. Now we have to study that how to add the algebraic expression, how to subtract the algebraic expression. And you know what are the types of algebraic expression? Let's see. Monomial. What is monomial? Binomial. Trinomial.
Polynomial.
Quadrinomial. And last we will study polynomial. Polynomial. Algebraic expression also, see algebraic expression what I have written 3x square plus 2x plus 2. So how we can define algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, the combination of constant and variable. The combination of constant and variable which are connected by the fundamental signs plus, minus, multiplication or division. Understood now? So this is called algebraic expression. It should be non-negative or should be non-negative. Understood? Okay, let's see now. Actually, we have to study the addition, but we have to also know the few things. Monomial. What is monomial?
Expressions that contains only term.
Oh, so 2 is the monomial.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, 1 is a
No.
monomial.
2 is not a monomial. Beta, it is also a term. If we will see 1 term, 2 term, and 3 terms. So this is also a term. This is called constant term. Understood na? So 2 is also monomial. You can say if there will be written 2, it is also monomial. It may be 7x. It may be minus 5x. Means an algebraic expression containing only one term. An algebraic expression containing only one term is called monomial. We know that mono means one and mial means term. Yes, now that monomial, it becomes containing one term, that is called monomial. Now binomial, we know that by means 2. So an algebraic expression containing 2 terms is called binomial. So what the example we can take? 3x plus 2, 5x minus 6. Understood na? Now trinomial. Tri means we know 3.
3.
Tri means 3.
3.
By its name we can define it. An algebraic expression containing how many terms?
3.
3 terms is called
3 term.
trinomial. And quadri means that is 4. An algebraic expression. So what the example we can write? 3x square plus 2x minus 6. So these are the examples. Quadrinomial, 4x square plus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 3x. We can write it. See, 1 term, 2, 3 and 4 term. Yes, na? And polynomial, if there will be more than 2 terms, in few books it is also written 1, but we have to take an algebraic expression containing 2 or more than 2 terms. Containing 2 or more than 2. More than 2. An algebraic expression containing 2 or more than 2 terms is called a polynomial. So these all may be polynomial also. These all are the polynomial. But when the question will be asked like that, right? That what just recognize it that which type of polynomial is written. algebraic expression is written. So we can see 1, 2, 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3. Which type of algebraic expression it is? It contains 3 terms. Yes, Roshan.
Sir,
Which type of algebraic expression it is?
contains
Hmm?
three terms.
I know that it contains 3 terms. So what we will call it? What we will call it? Which type of?
Trinomial.
Trinomial. So how
Binomial.
much time you all will take to give the answer? How much time you want? Don't take too much time. Don't waste your
Trinomial.
time.
Sir, trinomial.
Trinomial.
The numbers confused.
Now let's see like term. What is like term? Like term. Like term. Like terms we can write 3x square, 4x square, 5x square. Understood? We can see the coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x square is 4, coefficient of x square is 5. But when we will see the power, the power of all the expression are same, are equal. Yes or no? See, here power is 2, power is 2, power is 2. So like term, we can recognize it. How we can find out it? When the power will be same. When the power will be same. But the coefficient should not, means it doesn't, means it is not need, it is not required also that the coefficient should be also equal or the same.
Yes.
Only we have to see the power are equal or not. If the power will be equal, then they will be like term. So
Like
3x
term.
square, 4x cube, 5x square, 6x cube, 7x square. So what are the like terms? Find like term.
Sir,
Just
3x.
choose the like term from there.
4x,
Sir, 3x power 2.
3x to the power 2.
5x,
5x power 2.
It is not 5x. It is 5x to the power 2. Also, we can write 5x square. No?
Yes, sir.
Or 5x to the power 2.
Yes, sir.
Next,
7x to the square.
7x square. है ना? So, these are the
Yes,
like
sir.
term. One like term.
Like term.
So, we can see 4x cube and 6x cube. So, these are the another like term. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So like term means, see, we can add the like term, we can subtract the like term. Understood what I told? We can add the like terms or we can also subtract the like terms. It doesn't mean we can't subtract or add the unlike term. Unlike means if we will take 3x square plus 4x cube. If we will do 3 plus 4, that is 7. But we will come to what we will write the power. So it is not right, it is not a right way, it is a wrong way to do the solution. Understood? First of all, we have to arrange the like term together. Then either we will add or subtract the algebraic expression. Let's see. If we will take few examples, add the, we have to add this 3x square minus 5x and 9x square plus 6x. Yes. How we can add it? First of all, see
Rearrange
3x
into a like term.
5x plus 9x square plus 6x. So, bacha, what we can do, we have to arrange the like term first. When we will solve few questions, then we will come to know that how we used to do. So right now what we will do first, we have to arrange the like term. So how we can arrange it? 3x squared.
Square.
And what we
Minus
will take
5x.
from here?
So 9x
Sir,
square.
9x square.
So 9x,
Yes, plus what we can
5x,
take?
5x,
So,
5 minus
5x
minus
square.
5x. Minus
5x,
5x.
minus 5x and
Plus 6x.
Plus 6x.
plus 6x. Understood? Also we can put it under the bracket. So 3 plus 9, what becomes?
So 12.
So 12.
12x square.
12x square.
Now see, minus plus minus.
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 So number will be subtracted there, but the sign will be
Minus
Minus.
so minus.
1x.
हाँ सर.
Plus, plus.
प्लस होगा. प्लस होगा सर. क्योंकि 6
Sir,
है.
plus.
So greater number plus and plus.
So 12x square plus x. Few students, what they are doing, they are writing 12 and 13x. 13x square, 13x. So it is wrong way. Understood? Now we can't add this algebraic expression. What is now? We can't add these terms because here it is not a like term. See the power. Power is
2.
X square.
the power is
So 1.
Square.
1. Na? So it is not a like term. That's why we can't add now. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
I have seen so many times that you all are doing the same mistake. So don't repeat it. If you're having any confusion, any doubt, you can ask me. Right now, I'll explain it again. Understood? If you will take 2x square, 2x cube, 4x square minus 6x. है ना? And 9x square plus 6x plus 2. What becomes? 12x कर दो इसको. Can you do it? Vasudev, what is time? Do it. Do it.
सर एंड के बाद क्या लिखा है? सर एंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
And 9x square plus 12x plus 2. Do it.
सर फर्स्ट में क्या लिखा है?
सर क्वेश्चन रिपीट कीजिए ना, नहीं दिख रहा है.
Now it is visible?
Yes sir, yes sir.
सर ये तो अनलॉक टर्म है सर. सर अनलॉक टर्म है सर.
I'm not asking that what is unlike, which are unlike term. I need solution.
इसमें ऐड
This is called horizontal method, na? In class 7, you have studied.
ओहो.
This is called horizontal method. Now we will do it by the vertical method also. Okay, let's see. Write it. 2x.
Okay, sir.
2x.
Sir, answer got.
क्या रुक गया? Yes, tell me answer.
आंसर बोले.
हाँ.
सर 2
Yes, Shiv Sagar, is it possible to speak in English? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Now those who will speak in Hindi, I'll remove them. Okay, now ask me. Tell me answer.
2 square 3.
Tell me.
2 square 3
Sir, 2 square.
plus
Sir,
13
sir, 2x, x का power 3.
square 2.
Okay, let's see. Plus 9x square plus 12x plus. When we will erase it, see 2x cube is there. 2x to the power 3, no. So it
No,
becomes
sir.
2x.
like this. Understood? Also, we can put under the bracket plus 4x squared. See the like term? 4x squared we can take here
Plus 9x.
square.
plus what we can take minus 6x
6x plus 12x
Plus 12x.
plus 2
plus 2.
plus 2. So it becomes 2x cubed to the power 3 plus 4 plus 9. What becomes?
13x square.
13x square.
13x square.
Now see minus plus.
Minus.
So 12
Plus,
minus
plus,
6 it
plus.
becomes 6x na.
Yes, sir.
6x na. Bacha, sometimes we have to see if it will be plus 6x minus 12x. 6x minus 12x. So what becomes it? Plus 6x minus 12x. It becomes minus 6x. Now here what sign will
Yes,
be?
sir.
Minus. Plus minus. So it becomes minus 6.
Minus.
But here it becomes plus plus. It is plus itself. So it becomes plus 6x plus 2. So the required answer is 2x to the power 3 plus 3, 13x to the power 2 plus 6x plus 2.
2.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see how we can add these all by using vertical method. Understood? So let's take the example. Add 8x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. Next is 2xy minus 6y square plus 3x square, and one more is y square plus 3xy, only xy it is, minus 6x square. So in vertical method, sorry, it is called column method. Hai? So first of all, we have to arrange it. We have to arrange it in column. Understood? So how we can arrange it? First, like term we have to arrange. Hai? How we can arrange? See, first of all, we have to write. See the x square we will write. Then 5xy. Understood? Then 3y square. This is the first algebraic expression. Now just write the below the second, but we have to just write the like term, like 8x square. What will be the like term? It will be
3x square.
Understood? Now xy, see the xy where it is, xy.
3xy.
See the sign, plus 2xy. But in algebraic expression, we must have to take care about their sign. Not only in this, but in maths all. But it na, we must have to take care about sign. Otherwise, we will got the wrong answer. So 2xy. Next, 3y square. That is y square. See the power. Y square. What becomes? Minus y square. 6y square. Next, what we can write? Minus 6x square. Minus 6x square. Plus xy. Plus
Y.
plus
xy.
y square.
Y square.
Edit. What becomes? See, plus 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 plus. So 3 and 3, what becomes?
4y square.
अच्छा ये 1 है ना. 3 and 1, it becomes 4
4y square.
4y square minus 6y
6y
square
square.
6y square
minus
minus y square
Sir, 2y
Minus
square.
minus 2
Minus 2y square.
Minus 2y square.
minus 2y square minus 2y to the power 2. Next, see the sign, plus 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 plus.
Sir,
It becomes
3y. 3xy.
3xy.
3xy minus
5x.
5xy
5xy. Sir, answer
Minus 2xy.
minus 2xy.
minus.
Minus 2xy.
So here we have to write minus 2xy. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next is, see, 8 plus 3.
Sir,
11x
11x square.
11x square.
Minus
6x.
square.
6x
it
square.
becomes
5x square minus 5x square आएगा plus 5x square.
5x square.
Sagar, now you know, I'll remove you.
Sir, नहीं बोलेंगे.
नहीं बोलेंगे, it is also you are speaking in Hindi. Next, you have to do it by yourself. Let's see. Write down. Five x square plus 3x minus 8, 2x square minus plus 6x minus 9, 4x square minus 8x plus 10. Do it and tell me answer. Arrange in column. Arrange in column. Arrange it in column wise. Understood? Savage. Savage, class 6 now. Class no. Yes, Savage. It is not class 6.
Sir, answer 11x square plus x minus 7.
Tell me answer.
11x square.
Plus x minus 7.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Arrange
Yes,
it
sir.
in like term under each other. So it becomes 5x square plus 3x minus 8. Next, 2x square plus 6x minus 9. 4x square minus 8x plus 10. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So arrange it, it becomes what? Minus and minus. First it is 10.
Plus.
10 minus 8 and 8. You know that minus minus, the number will be added,
Plus.
but the sign will be minus. So 8 and 9.
17.
Minus 17. 9
Minus
becomes
Minus 17.
minus 7.
Minus 7.
Next, 3 plus 6.
9.
9x
9.
minus
9.
8x. So 9x
1x.
minus 8x. It becomes
Plus
Plus
1x.
x.
Plus x.
Plus x.
Plus x.
So no need to write 1x. Understood? Only
Yes,
you will
sir.
write x
तो
What
प्लस
will be
नहीं
the-
लगेगा.
plus 5, 2, 7 and 4. 11. X square.
11 x square.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
7.
सर बन गया।
7 कैसे है सर? 27
How 20? Beta, first we will see the sign. Negative numbers will be added to negative numbers. Negative integer C. So here it is -8 and -9. First of all, we write 10, then -8 -9. Minus plus. So number will be added, but sign will be minus. 8 and 8, 16 and 1, 17. Minus 17. Now plus minus. Plus minus. Minus. Minus 17. What becomes? 10 minus 17. It becomes minus 7. We have to prefer the sign. Which one will be the greater? 17 is greater, and 17 having negative sign. You have to write here negative sign. Okay, tell me any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Now I'll give you homework, and
sir.
you can download it from the Google Classroom. Yes,
Sir,
yes,
दोनों बुक से पढ़ना?
of course.
सर
तो दोनों कैसे मैनेज होगा?
If I can manage, then how you can't manage it? Tell me.
सर
But I yes.
सर दोनों बुक का अलग अलग कॉपी होगा?
It doesn't matter. The concept will be same. If the question will be written, and the data will be changed, then if you know the concept, then can you do it or not? Tell me. Instead of 5x square, if I will write 7x square, now can you do it? What becomes? What becomes?
13x square.
13x square.
13x square.
13x square.
So, book change means what? The concepts are same. If you know the concept, whatever the questions will be given to you, you can solve it easily.
Yes, sir.
Don't be confused that how many books you have to solve.
सर हाफ ईयरली कब से स्टार्ट होगा?
Be in present. You will see the future in later.